እሺ እዚህ ጋር ማህበረሰብ ሶ አይ ቲንክ የዛሬ ቪዲዮ ትንሽ ይለያል። እንደ ሌላ ጊዜው በድሪል ምናምን አይደለም ሪያክት የምናደርገው። ዛሬ ሪያክት የምናደርገው በምን መሰላችሁ? የራፐሮች ዲስተርቢንግ ላይቭ ቪዲዮ ነው። ዩ ኖ ዋት አም ሴይንግ። አንዳንድ እዚህ ቪዲዮ ላይ የሚጨንቁ ነገሮች ልታዩ ትችላላችሁ። ዩ ፊልም የሆነ ሰው ሲጠበስ ልታዩ ትችላላችሁ። አይ እንደሱ አይነት ነገር ማያመቻችሁ ከሆነ ገና ካሁኑ ላስጠንቀቃችሁ። ዲስ ቪዲዮ ኢዝ ናት ፎር ዩ ዩ ኖ ዋት አም ሴይንግ ግን when you guys talk about like drill ስትሉ ብዙ ጊዜ አብዛኞቻችሁ ኢትዮጵያ ብዙም የድሪል ፉል ፒክቸር የላችሁም። you know what I'm saying? so ብዙ ጊዜ ሳያችሁ you only focus on the music part ግን ድሪል is በጣም ቫዮለንት ነው እና ብዙ ጊዜ አስጠንቅቄያለሁ፣ ብዙ ጊዜ ተናግሬያለሁ እና for those of you like ድሪል በጣም ምን እንደሆነ አንደርስታንድ የማታደርጉ ሰዎች ሜቢ እዚህ ላይ አንዳንድ የድሪል ራፐሮች የሚያደርጉትን አክቲቪቲ ልታዩ ትችላላችሁ። this is not my video። ይሄ ቪዲዮ ከትራፖሎጂስት የሚባል ሰው የሰራው ቪዲዮ ነው እና እነዛን ቪዲዮዎች ነው ሪያክት ምናደርገው። አሮ ነው ሜቢ ዩቲዩብ ጓ ብሎ ኤጅ ሪስትሪክት ምናምን ሊያደርግብኝ ይችላል። እንደዛ ከሆነ ለማንኛውም ይህ ቪዲዮ አፕሎድ የሚደረገው በድሪሎፒያ ቻናል ነው። ሶ ጎ ቼክ ኢት አውት። ድሪሎፒያ ራሱ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። እንደገና ደግሞ ዋና ቻናላችንን የአክቲቭ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ ይፉሚ። ከዛ በተጨማሪ ብዙ አላዝጋችሁ፣ በቀጥታ ወደ ቪዲዮ እንሄዳለን። ይመቻችሁ። በነገራችን ላይ በጣም ሰው ገና ከእንቅልፍ መነሳት ሄደው እና አይኔ ምና ከቀላባችሁ ፍሙ ጠብሼ አይደለም እኔ አላጨስም። አይ ጋንግ ኦኬ። So disclaimer, this YouTube video is strictly for educational purposes. The makers of this video do not condone or promote violence in any way, shape, or form. Let's peace. Perfect. Okay. All right.
These are rappers' most disturbing live streams.
Let's see it, Belson. Let's see my hands on. Hey, I think I'm hit. I'm hit too. Yeah, I'm bleed. I think I'm bleed. Here's me out. Just say, who is hurting me? Who is hurting me, y'all? Eyes hurting me.
They behind me. They gonna kill me, y'all. I'm gonna make them.
አንዳንዶቹ በነገራችን ላይ ላይክ እንዲሁ ፒውር ድድብና ነው። you know what I'm saying? like በጣም ፒውር ድድብና ነው እዚህ ላይ የምትመለከቱት። it's like I don't know። እኔ አንዳንዶቹ ድድብና እንዴት ኤክስፕሌን እንደማድረግላችሁ አላውቅም። ታዩታላችሁ ብቻ።
Kill me, y'all. Today is the day I die. Today is the day I die, y'all.
What the hell on your brother, man?
They didn't just do that, bro.
Bro, y'all just shot my little brother.
They didn't just do that, bro.
Bro, y'all just shot my little brother, bro.
Starting things off with his local rapper named Kevin Watson, also known as Lord Tug, because he decided to hop on Facebook Live to do a chill stream in his car while waiting outside his cousin's job site. And everything seemed normal until something disturbing happened that made this his last ever live stream.
Like that be the
ሶ ያጎቱ ልጅ የሥራ ቦታ ፓርኪንግ ላይ ቁጭ ብሎ ያጎቱ ልጅ እየጠበቀ ነበርና አይ ቲንክ ሊዘርፉት ሞክረው ነው መሰለኝ የገደሉት።
And that's what make a motherfucker be wanting to get into it with y'all, because y'all ain't got no respect. What's up, bro? What's up? Hell no!
According to
ተኩሱን ሰማችሁት አይደል? ሶ ፕሪቲ ማች አሮ ናቲንግ ቼን አድርጎ ነበር መሰለኝ። ያው ኦኬ ሶ let me tell you what happened, right? ብዙ ጊዜ እንደዚህ ላይቭ ላይ ቼን ምናምን አድርገው እንትን ሲሉ ሎካል እናንተ ሰፈር የሚኖሩ ጠጎች ያዩታል ላይቫችሁን and then ያደረገውን ቼን አያችሁት። ዳይመንድ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ሊሆንም ላይሆንም ይችላል። you know what I'm saying? so እሱን ለመዘረፍ መጥተው ነው ጀለስን የጠበሷት። You feel me? This niggas is about that life. I'm telling you.
normal until something disturbing happened that made this his last ever live stream.
Like that be the and that's what make a motherfucker be wanting to get into it with y'all, because y'all ain't got no respect. What's up, bro? What's up? Hell no!
According to witnesses, a random dude pulled up to rob Tug, and things went left when he tried to snatch the strap from the dude. It's crazy how he managed to capture his final moments. But his next rapper decided...
ሽጉጡን ለመንጠቅ ሲል ነው ዘራፊ የገደለው። you feel me? like አንዳንድ ጊዜ እነዚህ ሰዎች ላይፍ is just crazy, bro. it's not even worth it. እውነት ለመናገር የብሬ ነው። ቃንዴ ጋይስ Sorry guys, you know what they
decided to live stream his own police chase after a failed robbery attempt. Not only that, but he had both his baby mama and his child in the whip with him while
ይሄ ደግሞ ማለት ነው ለመዝረፍ ሞክሮ ያው ዘረፋው አልተሳካም እና ከዛ መኪና ውስጥ ህፃን ልጁ እና የልጁ እናት አለች እና እነሱን ይዞ በመኪና ከፖሊስ ጋር ሽቅድድም ውስጥ ገባ። That's crazy. ልጃችሁን ይዛችሁ ማለት ነው።
Swerving through traffic and driving crazy to try and get away from 12.
Pull over, bro. Let us out the car, bro.
I'm not, bro. I'm not gonna
Let
see
us
my
out
baby.
the car, bro. You're never gonna see our baby. Are you f***ing serious? You're trying to f***ing kill us. What are you talking
I'm not
about?
gonna kill y'all, I promise.
Bro, just let us out the car,
Bro, this is sheriffs. They gonna kill me for some that I did.
Bro, if you pull over and put your
They
hands
gonna kill
up,
me, cuz.
yeah, you gotta pull over and put your hands up, bro. My baby's in the car, bro. You
I
doing?
don't.
Look what you're doing, though. What the you got my baby in a whole high-speed chase, bro. Pull the over, cause they got guns pointing,
Bro,
bro.
stop, bro. Stop trying to make me think about that, bro.
Bro, because it's reality, bro. What the
Bro, you think I wanna put my baby in some shit like this?
And what really made things disturbing was how the dude tried to use his own baby as a human shield while getting out of the whip to try and stop the police from hitting at him.
Cannot imagine, but it appears to be. We'll see here. We'll have a really clear view here in a second. That appears to be a small infant in his arms. It's a woman. Is it a woman or a man? I can't tell. It's a male. Well, either way, the suspect is stepping out of the vehicle from showing both hands. Now we have
back seat.
There is somebody in the back seat.
Y'all think the judge cooked buddy for running 12 with a baby
አሰባችኋል ልጃችሁን እንደ ሺልድ ተጠቅማችሁ ስትወጡ?
on board? Now, let's move on to a few rappers from Alabama who had some disturbing moments take place during live streams. Like Gravedigger Quez, because he had everyone talking about him since he smacked his own cousin. He even went on to talk about it in a song, saying, I don't got no problem in catching a body. I smoked my kin. But their mama found out about the whole thing while they were on a...
ይሄ ደግሞ ማለት ነው የራሱን ከዝን ገሎ ፕሪዲማት አስቡት እንግዲህ ከዝኑ አፕስ ነው ፕሪዲማች እና ላይክ እንዲህ ልበላችሁ የሌላ ሰፈር ጋንግ ነው ከዝኑ ያው ላይክ እዚ ድሪል እንደ ላይ ጋንግ ምናምን ፋሚሊ ምናምን አይለይም you know what I'm saying like ያጎታችሁ ልጅ ሌላ ጋንግ ከሆነ ያው ትገዱታላችሁ ራስ ኖርማል እነሱ ጋር እና what happens is ማለት ነው ጀለስ የራሱን ያጎቱን ልጅ ገሎ ዘፈኑ ላይ ዘፈነበት አለ አይደል like I don't have a problem ሰውን የመግደል ኢቭን ራሴን ያጎቴ ልጅም ገላሉ ምናምን ብሎ ዘፈነ ማለት ነው ከዛ እናቱ ሰማችና ማንጁ እናቱ ማለት የእህቷ ልጅ ነው ያኛው የሞተው ሶ ልጇ ላይ የቀወጠችበት ነው እዚህ ጋር this is crazy
live. So she went off on Quez and his brother Court for bragging about it like it was a joke.
I don't give a you ain't killed now cause you tried it, cause you had to kill them. What? That ain't
So
you killed your own cousin. You think that's something cool? That's why your life like it is now.
You tripping, boy.
That's why
You
your
know
life like it is now. I bet you 500 grand you can't go outside right now and walk around and be comfortable. Yo, stupid ass it's a joke. A motherfucker do you just like they did him. Laugh at that. Yo, weird. I bet you won't walk around that motherfucker Jonesboro right now. Yo, that'll be a smushed up motherfucking piece of. Yo, weird thinking that shit cool. I don't see shit fun about that. That's the reason why my family's so divided now. Going high, going there, you think it's a game. Don't nobody want to be around your weird.
As for why he did it, he went on to talk about it on an interview with No Jumper, mentioning how they got into an argument over some business they were doing, and he only smoked his cousin because his cousin shot at him first.
I ain't saying it was premeditated or nothing, but like shot me, cuz. So it's like, you feel me? I mean, I just, did what I had to do. And I'm not bragging on it, but I'm so glad I smushed his to the ground because I wouldn't be here to today.
so የአክስቴ ልጅ ነው ቀድሞ የተኮሰብኝ ምናምን ነው የሚለው that's crazy though እና like I'm glad ስለገደልኩት እያለ ነው እነዚህ ሰዎች ላይፍ የላቸውም I ain't gonna lie ምንም ላይፍ የላቸውም they don't got no life bro crazy
That's deep.
You gotta understand, bro, I had to kill him to live. Cause that's why I say I killed myself, cause if I was following up behind him doing the same shit he was doing, so I was gonna be just like him. And he had a lot of other doing the same shit. So I think God really put me in that position to like stop that, cause his little brother was in prison for him, taking charges for him, all type of was in jail for shooting behind him because he putting these image in his head what they got to do, and he not even stepping like that.
But OG Chris was the complete opposite because he was riding around the city begging his ops to smoke him while on Facebook Live. This all happened while he was cruising through different hoods to see which hood would stand on the most business, but it didn't take long for him to get dumped at while driving through Inslee.
ይሄ ደግሞ ማለት ነው ምሮ መሰረታቸው የሚያደርገው በየሰፈሩ እየደስ ልብካላችሁ ግደሉኝ ይየዚህ ያስጋል እስቲ ልብካላችሁ ግደሉኝ This is crazy. Nah. This nigga is dumb. This nigga is stupid. የምሬድ like አስቡት ምን ያክል ላይፍ ባይኖራችሁ ነው በየሰፈሩ እየሄዳችሁ እስቲ ልብካላችሁ ግደሉኝ እያላችሁ well they shot his bitch ass.
Coming in hot. Oh, they want to land down.
Yep, ጠበሱት
Hands just shot me out, y'all. Hands just shot me out. Hands just shot me out. Look, my window bush. Got holes in my car. Hands just shot me out, y'all. Belsman, it's your turn. Hands just shot me out. Get back that shit in. Let's see Belsman. They shot me out in the hands. Hey, I think I'm hit. I'm hit too, y'all. Let them bleed.
He then kept going to the next hood to see if they were about it too.
So, አንደኛው hood ሄደ ተኩሱበት መቱት እጁን and then ወደሚቀጥለው hood ደግሞ ሄደ እስቲ እናንተ ልብካላችሁ ግደሉ. This is crazy.
Hands shot me out. So ain't talking about some. They talking about some over here. Hey, let's see what Bill talking about. Ain't just with me. I ain't gonna call police on y'all, bro. Y'all chill. Y'all straight. Y'all right fast. Just chill. Everybody chill. I'm getting out of there. Everybody chill. He shot me out. Oh, bro had a Glock with a 30 in it too, Jim.
And it just kept getting crazier from there because he let everyone know he was about to pull up at a nearby gas station since he wanted people from Bessemer, Alabama to finish the job.
I'm gonna get y'all there. I'm gonna get y'all there. Get y'all British to take me out on that. I'm finna park at Sheds. Y'all go on and race. You got one shot. You got one kid. Gone. Tell my son I love him to death, man. I never tell my son. You hear me? Tell my son I love that boy to death. Tell me I ain't never try to be like this, y'all. You hear me? Tell my little boy I love him, man. I love my son, y'all. Don't cry, Chris. I'm gonna let Belsman kill me. I was born and raised in Belsman, Alabama, y'all. I'm from the South. Hey, I'm finna put up at Shells. I'm right here. I don't got no gun. I'm hit. I can only take one more. I might die when you see me.
After he pulled up at Shells, a car pulled up to try and help him out. But just a few moments later, the camera went black and you could hear shots in the background.
Tell him I'm dead.
No, you ain't.
Tell him I'm dead.
Get over there.
Tell him I ain't scared.
Get over there, man.
Tell him I ain't scared.
Come on, man.
Tell him I ain't scared, bro.
Move.
Luckily for Chris, he managed to walk away from this situation alive. But unfortunately, he ended up losing his life a year later in another.
So pretty much ምን ሀፕን አደረገ የዛ ቀን መጡ እንደገና ሾቱበት ግን ታረፈ ከዛ በኋላ ግን ያው ከአንድ አመት በኋላ ያው የሁድ ሰው ነው ተጠበሰና ሞተ ማለት ነው this is crazy bro እንዴት እንደዚህ አይነት ላይፍ እንደሚኖሩ ይገርመኛል ጋይ ድሪል የምትሉት እንግዲህ ሪያሊቲው ይሄ ነው you know what I'm saying this is not a joke okay this is not a joke እመብሎ ድሪል ምናምን ብሎ ስለዘፈን አይደለም the real drill is crazy you know what I'm saying like የምትፈልጉት ላይፍ አይደለም I promise you
incident at a different gas station in Bessemer. And it's crazy how things get down in Alabama. It was no surprise that local rapper Lil Spin managed to capture one of the most disturbing live streams in the history of Birmingham. This all happened during the new year when he decided to hop on Facebook Live to celebrate while joyriding the city. But all of a sudden, a random guy dumped at him with a Draco and hit him in the head.
ይሄ ደግሞ ከጀለሶቹ ጋር I think New Year's Eve like አዲስ ዓመት ዋዜማ ሴሌብሬት እያደረጉ ነበረ ጓደኞቹ ጋር እና ራንደም ሰው እየመጡ Draco I don't know if you guys know Draco is like ብዙ ጊዜ ጋንግስተሮች የሚጠቀሙት ሽጉጥ ነው it's like አጭሩ AK47 ብትሉት ይቀዳል እና በድሬኮ ጀለስን ጭንቅላቱን መቱት ይሙት አይሙት አምናሽ በነገራችን ላይ ላይቭን የሚያጨልመው እንትን ቢለው ስለተመታ ላይክ እናንተ እንዳታዩት ነው ፎቴጁ is disturbing እነዚህን ሪል ፎቶጆች ማየት ከፈለጋችሁ የሰዎቹን ስም ጻፉና ሬዲት ላይ ወይም ደግሞ ትዊተር ላይ ምናምን ነገር አሉ አይጥፉ
The original video is absolutely disturbing, and I can't play most of it here. All I can say is that you can hear all the sounds he made for hours until paramedics finally arrived at the scene. Everyone thought that was it for him, but his cousin posted an update on his Facebook page letting everyone know that Lil Spin actually managed to pull through. And just like him,
that's crazy. በድሬኮ ጭንቅላት ተመቶ መትረፍ is crazy.
The next rapper has one of the most disturbing live streams of all time. See, Get It Brown was an up-and-coming rapper from South Carolina who got tired of everything and everyone after allegedly going through a rough breakup. So he decided to hop on a live to tell his fans he would die that day.
I won, y'all. I'm sorry.
So ይሄ ደግሞ ከገርልፍሬንዱ ጋር ብሬክአፕ አረገና አለ አይደለ አይ ገስ ሱሳይድ ለማድረግ ፈልጎ መሰለኝ እና አንዳንድ ሰዎች ሱሳይድ ማድረግ ሲፈልጉ ራሳቸውን መግደል ሲፈልጉ ምን ያደርጋሉ መሰላችሁ? ሱሳይድ ባይ ካፕ የሚባል ነገር አለ። ፖሊሶች ብዙ ጊዜ ለህይወታቸው ስለሚፈሩ እነሱ ጋር ሄዳችሁ ሰስፒሸስ ነገር ካረጋችሁ ከአንዳንዱ ነው የሚገሏችሁ። like it's not a question, right? So what they do is ፖሊስ አጠገብ ሄደው አለ አይደለ ወይ ከፖሊስ ጋር ቼዝ ውስጥ ይገባሉ እና ከፖሊስ ጋር ቼዝ ውስጥ ገብተው ፖሊሶች እንዲገሏቸው ያደርጋሉ ምናምን ነገር እና I think እሱም ይሄን ነው የሚያደርገው።
I was so blessed. I had made it through. There they go, y'all.
So what happened is girlfriendun breakup arguna girlfriendun ገድሎ ነው እንትን ያለው so pretty much he killed his girlfriend እና አሁን ፖሊሶች ተጠርተው እየጠበቃቸው ነው እና ፖሊሶች ሲመጡ ያመልጣል እና ከፖሊሶች ጋር ቼዝ ውስጥ ገብቶ ነው የፖሊሶች መጡበት ማለት ነው።
They behind me. They gonna kill me, y'all. I'm gonna make them kill me, y'all. Today is the day I die.
What he didn't tell his fans was that he had just gotten into a heated altercation with his ex-girlfriend just moments before, which ended with him pulling the trigger on her and that the cops were starting to swarm him. From there, his plan was to lead on a wild chase through the city and try to make that his final live stream with an assist from the police.
They gonna kill me today, y'all. I'm finna make them kill me. I'm sorry, y'all.
According to reports, he did get his wish because the chase ended with Brown getting into a car crash against a black truck, resulting in the death of both drivers.
The report
so pretty much የሞቶ በካር ክራሽ ነው። ፖሊሶች እንደዚህ ቼዝ ያረጉት ሄዶ ከሌላ መኪና ጋር ተጋጨ and ያው ሞተ። የፈለገውን የደረሰበት I'm gonna make them kill me እያለ ነበረ so pretty much suicide ነው ራሱን ነው ሊያጠፋን ተብሎ ነውና like that's crazy bro. That is crazy. አንዳንዶቹ ራፐሮች the type of shit they do is crazy, bro.
Beals Brown ran a red light and crashed into 52-year-old Ryan Heyman on Garner's Ferry and Hazelwood Roads. Heyman and his dog died.
But in the case of Jacksonville rapper Lil Wu, police did play a big part in getting him erased during a Facebook Live. He started his live hanging out with his bros while posting on the block, jerking and flashing their straps. But police pulled up to them and tried arresting them. But Wu took off, leading to him getting as he ran away.
So ይሄ ደግሞ ምን መሰላችሁ አፕን ያደረገው ይሄና የኛው ራፐርና ጀለሱ ወንድሙ ምናምን ሆነው ፈታ እያሉ ያለ ሰፈራቸው ውስጥ ጥቁሮች ብዙ ጊዜ ምን ያደርጋሉ ሰፈራቸው ውስጥ በተለይ ጋንግስተር ከሆኑ ሰፈራቸው ውስጥ ፈታ እያሉ ምናምን ነገር ሽጉጣቸው ምናምን ያሳያሉ። ግን ማወቅ ያለባቸው ነገር ምንድነው ፖሊሶች አንደርከቨር ሆኖ ብዙ ጊዜ ላይቮቻቸውን ይከታተላሉ። ላይቭ ላይ ሲገቡ ኢንስታግራም ፌስቡክ ምናምን ላይቭ ላይ ሲገቡ ያዩዋቸዋል ፖሊሶች እና ምን ሀፕን አደረገ ፖሊሶቹ የነሱን ላይቭ ሲያዩ ላይቭ ላይ ሽጉጥ ምናምን ይዘዋዩ ማለት ነው። ሶ ፖሊሶቹ ቀስ ብሎ መጥተው አረስት ሊያደርጓቸው ግን አረስት ሊያደርጓቸው ሲል አንደኛው ጀለስ ሊው የሚባለው መሮጥ ጀመረ እና ፖሊሶች ሲሮጡ ካዩአችሁ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ሾቶ ይገሏቸዋል። that's what happened እዚህ ጋር ሳላቀ እንትኑን አስረዘምኩት።
Hey, Mom. On the ground. Go ahead. On the ground. On the ground now. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
I don't know ዘፈኑን እንትን ሊልብኝ ይችላል።
Oh, man, that's my little brother, man. Get on the ground now. That's my little brother, man. They didn't just do that. They didn't just do that. What the hell? That's my little brother, man. They didn't just do that, bro. Bro, y'all just shot my little brother. They didn't just do that, bro. Bro, y'all just shot my little brother, bro.
Now, we have to talk about Illinois rapper K-Lo Master Outlaw, also known as Kevin Harper, because he sadly captured his final moments during a live. Kevin might not have been the biggest rapper out there, but he still had a lot of things bringing his mental down. So he decided to end things with an explosive final live stream. And things keep getting crazy with FBG Duck because his mom got into a disturbing situation while arguing with her boyfriend at the time for blocking his car at the driveway. So she decided,
okay, it's not that big of a deal. Okay.
Live streams. Because when OTF Didi got out of jail in 2020, thanks to Lil Durk dropping 90 bands for bail, he was set up by some of his ops and tortured him. They put him on a live while he had a strap pointed at his dome, cut off all his dreads. They even forced him to go down on the girl who was on her.
So, this one is crazy, bro. This one is crazy. This is nasty and funny at the same time. ጀለስ ምንድን ያደረጉት ከእስር ቤት እንደተፈታ አፕሶቹ አገቱትና ያው እንደምታዩት እዚህ ጋር ድሬዱን ምናምን ቆራርጠው ቶርቸር አድርገው ምናምን ነገር ምን አደረጉ የሴትን ብቻ የሴትን እንትን እንዲልስ አደረጉት እና ሴቷ በዛ ሰዓት ላይ የወር አበባ ላይ ነበረችና ፕሪቲ ማች ደም በደም ነው የምትሆኑ አምሳይድ እና እሱን ላስ ምናምን ብለው እንትን እያስባሉ ነበረ። ግን እንደሰማሁት ከነ ከዛ በኋላ ሴቷን ገደሏት ነው የሚባለው። ብቻ let's just hear it.
Every dread, cut it out. Take it home with you. OTF Didi. Look out.
According to rumors, it was the girl who lured Didi into the trap, but she was found later dead in an unrelated incident, leading people to believe that Didi got his revenge on her. Now, let's keep things going to Memphis rapper Big Scar.
Alright, የኛው እንኳን በድራግ ዴሞቶ ያ just don't do drugs. ይሄ በጣም ኃይለኛ የድራግ ሱስ ነበረበት እና የሞቶ በድራግስ ነው። እና like what I'm trying to say is guys, ብዙ ጊዜ ስለምሰሙት ነገር አለ drill just keep it in the studio ምላችሁ ይሄን ነው። ስቱዲዮ ውስጥ ብቻ keep it because ምንም ማትሸለሙበት ጦርነት ውስጥ ነው የምትገቡት you know what I'm saying እና that's what I'm trying to say ዘፈኑ it's okay it's cool right ግን ደግሞ like በዘፈኑ ምክንያት የምር ፋይት ምናምን ስታረጉ መገዳደል ውስጥ ትገባላችሁ። መገደል ብቻ አይደለም መታሰር አለ you know what I'm saying እና ደግሞ ያ ላይፍ ስታይል ከኛ ሀገር ላይፍ ስታይል ጋር አይሄድም it doesn't really work የኛ ሀገር ፖሊስ ጋር it doesn't really work ሆነ ለመናገር እና like ላይፋችሁን አታባላሹ ለማይረባ ነገር you feel me just keep it in the music that's it you know what I'm saying yeah that's what I'm trying to say let me know እንደዚህ አይነት ቪዲዮ ሌላ ማየት ከፈለጋችሁ ብዙ ቪዲዮዎች ናቸው ያሉት እያየውን ተተነትንላችሁ ከፈለጋችሁ let me know ለማንኛውም የሚመቻችሁ በሌላ ቪዲዮዎች ከመኛችሁን ድረስ peace